Yo, what is up, guys? Today we got the Ienyrid M4 electric scooter. We're gonna take this thing for a little ride around the trail and we're gonna talk about it. Alright. First off, it has a key to it, which is like really cool, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, I had this thing for around a month and so far it's been really good. The reviews on this thing, all the reviews I saw, it was pretty good, so I had to pick it up. It was only around like $500, so it's a pretty good deal for it. And yeah, what else? This thing goes up to 28 miles per hour or 45 kilometers per hour. And for a scooter in this price, that's pretty fast. Alright, it got 750 watts. It got 2 brakes front and back. Oh, it gets me over 20 miles of range. It gets me over 20 miles of range, which is like really good because usually they lie, like usually companies they lie in the listing and like say like usually double. But on full speed mode 3, it goes, mode 3, it gets me over 20 miles of range, which is really good. It's also good for uphill too, good for commuting, good for riding around. You can ride this in some roads too. Alright, we're gonna do the speed test, alright? It is time for the speed test. And also, this thing has LEDs. This is the horn. This is the horn. And then it has LEDs. You can't really tell in the daytime, but I'm gonna pop a picture of it at night. But alright, we're gonna test out mode 1. Alright, this is kilometers. Alright, for mode 1, it stops at 15 or 16. You can't really tell on camera, but yeah, it like maxes out at 16. See mode 2. 19, 22, 23, 24. Alright, this one stops at 25 or 26. Yeah, 25. This one maxes out at 25. Time for mode 3. 20, 21, 22, 24, 27, 29, 30, 31, 40. Catchy speed. Oh, we got some more ducks over here. I don't know if we can faster. We are going 45 kilometers per hour right now, which is around 28 miles per hour. And if it's fell right there, a little slippery. But yeah, so that is 28 miles per hour, which is really good for this price range. 500, yeah. I'll go back to the other side of the trail. The suspension is also like really good on this thing. It's like really bouncy, so whenever I go through bumps and paths and stuff, I don't really feel nothing. Let's test this hill right here. Yeah, this is like keeping up pretty good. We're gonna test out the off-road on grass. We're gonna see how it's like. Now this is smooth, but oh yeah, that was really easy. That was like the same speed as when I'm in. That's like the same speed as when I'm in like the road. It has like that suspension, but the suspension is clean. Pass through some people over here. Alright, now for the cons. I guess I would like it to go a little bit faster, even though this is pretty fast. I just got used to the speed, that's why. But it would be better if it was a little bit faster. And Everything else is like pretty good, but ooh, downhill. So smooth. Hey, let me know if you guys want to see me take out the speed limiter on this thing. You can see if I even can, but yeah, put a comment down below if you want to see me take out the speed limiter. So yeah guys, my overall review for the Ienyrid M4 electric scooter is a 9 out of 10. The speed is really good, the acceleration is really good, the suspension is really good, the brakes are really good too, and overall it looks really nice. I really like the way how it looks. So yeah guys, if you guys want to get this, the link is down below. If anybody wants me to ride any other scooter or review any scooters or anything else, put a comment down below. I'll try to get it. But yeah.